If you've blocked someone on X, formerly Twitter, and now you want to unblock them, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you blocked someone by mistake, want to reconnect, or just need to manage your privacy settings, unblocking a user on X is quick and easy once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tips and guides. All right, let's get started. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into the account where the person is currently blocked. On the left side of your screen, look for the More option. This is usually shown as a 3 dots icon in the navigation menu. Click on More to open the full menu of account options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy tools, and security settings. Once the settings page opens, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can interact with your account, what content you see, and how your blocked and muted users are managed. Next, go to Mute and Block. Inside this menu, you'll see different options related to account restrictions. Now select Blocked Accounts. This will show you a list of every account you've blocked on X. Scroll through the list until you find the person you want to unblock. When you locate their name, click the Blocked button next to it. As soon as you click it, the account will be unblocked and the button will change to Follow or another available action depending on your settings. That's it. The person has now been unblocked on X, and they can once again view your profile and interact with your account based on your privacy settings. If you ever need to block them again in the future, you can always come back to the same section and do it in just a few clicks. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.